172 right there. Can't get any more to the curb than this one. Alright? Oh, stopping too. He's stopping. He's like proceeding very, very cautiously. Because now we're just like 30 feet away from the dreaded corner to go home. Treading very, very carefully, right on the edge. You can't get any more. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. I'm tugging a little bit and he's just like not having any of it. No, oh no, no. We're now right here at the corner to go home. And he's planted himself. Planted. Come on, Max. Come on. What do I have to do to get past this? Definitely not this way. Alright, how about this way? Right? Right? Oh, he falls in. Picking up speed now. Picking up speed now. Now we can go.